beautiful 1969 Ford Mustang Boss 429.
Complete, well-documented history. These are marvelous driving cars. The sound, the feel, it's a Ferrari.
Go for it.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, have a look here. 1394 is the lot number. 1967 Ferrari 275 GTB4, all matching numbers. This 4-cam 275 GTB comes with complete history from the day it left the factory in Italy. Fully restored with 60,000 actual miles, this Ferrari has recently received a complete engine overhaul completed at North Coast Exotics. Real deal 275.
But when you put together your list, or you ask people to put together a list of the top 10 most beautiful cars of all time, this is a car that will regularly appear. If it doesn't, you haven't looked at it close enough. Ferrari 275 GTB4. Beautiful long hood, spectacular engine, beautiful design. It's close to perfect.
Yeah, the 4 part of the GTP is not a reference to 4 seats. No, it refers to the 4 camshafts sitting on top of the 3.3-liter V12. The double cams allow for better ports and far better breathing than the single cam that came before.
Yeah, when the 4 came out, one of the visual distinctions was this hood bulge right here.
What you're hearing is money.
Tell a difference, but we've seen this body copied over and over again. There's companies that have actually made replicas of it. But this is truly one of the ultimate cars of the world.
Yeah, this contour here at the back is just gorgeous. Almost identical to the 250 GT short wheelbase car. Same basic shape right here.
So don't forget, we've got multiple bidders in multiple directions. We've got people in the house, and I can look up and I can see Steve Davis. Normally they have a staffer on the phone, but Steve is on the phone with somebody working a bid. You were pointing out that tail. So many cars have used that same design element going past back from that point forward. Once again, everything about this car is so right. And it was really done in an era when Ferrari really wasn't using wind tunnels so much as just eyeing things. The Pininfarina design, the bodies were made by Scout
250. 250.
Hand-hammered aluminum. Ferrari is by no means in mass production now.
Okay, that's us. We'll see what the buyer wants to do.
We had craftsmen working with leather bags and wooden molds and hammering aluminum out to a wooden template, shaping it, getting perfect, and moving on to that aluminum.
A little over 300 of these were built, and once again, this is a GTB4. You talked about the
sure I'm in.
but they also improved other aspects. They improved the suspension, they improved other things. So this is truly a better car than a base 275 GTB.
The guy just got it. He just tried to jump up.
Any wire wheels,
that's us,
knockoffs
guys.
were occasionally seen on these.
We're going to have to do 2-3 at least.
Durable magnesium 14-inch wheels.
So far, we're in the lead. We'll see what happens, brother. No, I think they're trying to grind him a little bit. Right now, I don't know.
Everybody put your hands together. And 2,300,000 pounds in under. And 2,300,000. I want to hear you out there, Scottsdale.
Make sure that they know they're in there.
And 2,300,000.
There was a reserve on this car, a minimum bid that had to be reached before the reserve would be
sell it.
lifted.
I think he just shook his head. Yes, so far we're going to win this thing. Yes! We just won, my man. You're the proud owner.
$2.25 million for a spectacular Ferrari.